Hello students, today we are going to start a very important topic of second unit, and that is business plan. A business plan is a detailed study or research for starting a new venture. It includes many aspects and we have to understand them one by one. Today we are going to just discuss them in short, and then later on we will discuss it in detail one by one. So business plan include these points like introduction of the venture which we are going to start, then its description, the nature of work, then we have several plans like how will be the production of goods will be taken off, then what will be the operational features of the plan, how the organizational structure will be chosen, which type of organizational structure like divisional or functional, then how the funds will be arranged, means the company will be arranging capital from equity or debt or preference share. Then manpower planning, it deals with the human resource and their procurement, and it includes whole staffing process also. Next one is marketing plan, which include all 4P like product mix, place mix, price mix and promotion mix. Then after we have to assess the risk of the business, that at which level we are operating and how much risk in that venture. And at last we have to add the appendix in which we have written the details from where we have taken some help. So overall, business plan is a comprehensively written document which shows that how much preparation we have done for starting our venture, and it is in a documented form, means it is written in a booklet, and that booklet will be shown to the various stakeholders so that they may be interested in funding our business. And this business plan can be shown to the third parties or investors or angel investors through various formats. So let's discuss these formats. So formats are of 4 types. First one is elevator pitch. In elevator pitch, we have to remember that it is a 3-minute summary. Means we have to call all the potential investors who want to give us funds. Suppose in a meeting hall we can invite them. Then after, because they are very time saving investors, so they will not spend too much time on our presentation. So they want that if the business has a potential, the presenter must be able to convince us within 3 minutes. So 3 minutes is the limit. So in this elevator pitch, it is a 3-minute summary of the business. Means this whole business plan will be summarized in only 3 minutes and presented to the investors. If they like it, they can fund us and we can start our business. Next one is a pitch deck with oral narrative. It is actually a PPT show. PowerPoint slides can be used here. So it is written as well as visual, so it has more impact on the investors. And another one is a written presentation. It is totally a complete booklet which can be given to the investor. And last one is internal operational plan. The internal operation plan is actually for the management, not for the investors. That if anyone from the management side want to see it, they can check it whether we are properly managing our internal affairs or not. Now overall, you can see here that this is our business plan. It includes many aspects which is written in short, and we have to present our business in these formats. There are only 4 formats, and these formats are of not very long duration, like elevator pitch, it is of 3 minutes. It is a PowerPoint presentation, but of course it will not for long hours, only 5 to 10 minutes, and timing is not limit with the other formats. But overall we can say that this whole detailed booklet will be presented to the investors in these formats, and we have to convince them that if they invest in our company, we will certainly give profits to them. So that's all for today. Thank you, students.